Your videos are not getting the right views because of these two settings that you always set up whenever you want to upload your video, which is embedding and notifying subscribers. And guess what? Clicking the wrong one can actually hurt your growth, or worst case, make people unsubscribe from your channel when you turn on these two things. In this video, I will show you what these settings really do, how they affect your views, and the mistakes even the experienced creators make. The first thing we want to talk about is embedding. When you allow embedding, you are giving people permission to share your videos on their website or blog, or even inside an app. For example, in my channel, I make videos about video editing. Imagine a blogger writes about video editing and feature one of my videos on their site. Instead of linking my video directly, they embed it. Their readers can watch that video right on their site. And every view still counts. It still counts on your channel. Your watch hour still counts, the view still counts, everything still counts, like when someone watches on YouTube. Unless your video is private or meant to stay only on YouTube. So when you are uploading your videos, make sure you turn on the embedding feature. The next one I want to talk about is notifying subscribers. Now, this one is very dangerous. When this setting is on, YouTube sends out an alert, like a push notification or email telling your subscribers to just drop something new. Now that sounds great for getting views fast, but here is the thing: too many notifications can backfire. Let me use my channel as an example. I create videos on CapCut tutorials, AI tools to boost your online presence, hidden phone tricks, video editing tips, YouTube growth strategies, all tech focused content, but I rotate topics weekly, so I'm able to balance things. Now, imagine someone subscribed to my channel for my AI content, and then all through that week, they keep getting notification about CapCut videos. That gets very annoying, and eventually they might hit the unsubscribe button because that is not what they subscribe to my channel for. So what should you do? Use the notify subscriber option strategically, not all the time. Turn it on for major and core content and skip it when you are posting niche topics, mini updates, or multiple uploads in shorts. If you want to constantly upload your videos, instead of bombarding your subscribers with too many notifications, I get annoyed when I get too many notifications over something I'm not interested in. So instead of that, whenever you want to upload frequent videos like that, and it's not a general video that you feel your subscribers might like, you might want to turn on this notify subscribers button off. And the third one is not a setting when you are uploading. This one is one of the most dangerous one: inconsistent branding. If your channel feel like a mix of everything, maybe today comedy, tomorrow skincare, then next week you talk about tech, it's hard for your audience to know what you stand for. Subscribers want to know what to expect from you next. So when your content constantly change direction, even great videos can just get ignored because of inconsistency. Now on my channel, I cover different topics, but they are all tied up to tech and digital growth. That's my niche. Even when I switch topics weekly, the branding and vibe stays consistent because I'm still in line with tech. So ask yourself, does your channel have a clear identity? If not, that could be the reason why your uploads or your videos are not performing well. Here is the final takeaway: turn on embedding. This will let your content spread and gain more views. The second one is notify subscribers wisely, only when it truly adds value. Stay consistent with your brand is the third one. This will help your subscribers know why they are in your channel. I hope this helped to clear things up. If it did, tap the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Do you use these settings every time you upload your video? Please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.